I guess our clue is a ringing sound. We need our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook, right? So, a ringing sound. Let's draw some curved lines like this to help us think about this ringing sound. We have all 3 clues to figure out what Blue want Jordan to bring to college. Where did we sit to figure this out?
Thinking chair.
The thinking chair, yeah. Let's figure it out. Then we can really surprise Jordan at the surprise party. Come on! Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. So, what can Blue want Jordan to bring to college with numbers? Buttons. And a ringing sound. Well, maybe the numbers are on the buttons. Yeah, and maybe it makes a ringing sound. But what has buttons with numbers and makes a ringing sound?
A telephone.
A telephone! Yeah, Blue want Jordan to bring a telephone to college so he can call and talk to him. We just figured out Blue's clues.
We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues because we're really smart.
Twilight, it's time!
It's time for Jordan's surprise party. Come on!